Thanks for joining me today. My channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Online chat jobs are one possibility if you don't have a quiet workspace and you want to work in the customer service industry. As more customers go to the internet for help, customer service chat jobs are becoming increasingly popular. Below are 8 online chat jobs that hire on a regular basis. 1. Teletech. You can be a home associate with Teletech, although you will need to own a headset as this position may include chat and phone. During the application process, list your preferred hours to work. And Teletech will match your schedule availability with an open project. Most projects require you to work at least 20 hours a week. Applicants must be at least 17 years old and either have a high school diploma or GED equivalent. 2. Outplex. Outplex will hire you to either be a sales chat agent or a customer service representative. Although Outplex has locations in the US and the Dominican Republic, their work-at-home jobs are for U.S. applicants only. These positions can be chat-only or also offer phone support too. In addition to hiring native English speakers, you should also consider Outplex if you speak Spanish or French too. 3. Simply Hired. This is another online search engine job. Like Indeed, you can search for online chat jobs, or online chat agents, to find open positions at online companies. 4. Sedgwick. If you're comfortable handling insurance and compensation claims, you can be a support agent for Sedgwick. Some customer service positions might require you to commute, but Sedgwick will make reasonable accommodations when applicable and appropriate. Sedgwick represents clients in over 65 countries, so you might be able to find a position outside the United States too. 5. Indeed. As one of the largest online job boards, you can't ignore Indeed. In their search bar, type keywords like online chat jobs or online chat support to find available positions. Your search results will populate with local and national companies that need remote chat agents. Using job websites like Indeed also helps you save time by not having to visit each company website to comb their career page. Time is money, and saving time means the chance to make more money. Or enjoy a regular work-life balance. 6. Apple. Are you savvy with Apple devices? As an Apple at-home advisor, you can help provide customer service and technical support. This job won't exclusively be online chat, but it's one of the better at-home customer service jobs available. You can get paid vacation and product discounts. To become an Apple advisor, you will need to meet some of the following requirements. Have a distraction-free workplace. Own a work desk that can house an Apple computer. And wear a headset. Apple provides the equipment for all of their remote positions. 7. Fancy Hands. Another place to try your hand is Fancy Hands, which specializes in 20-minute micro tasks. Because Fancy Hands is mostly a one-time gig, responsibilities might be to chat or email on behalf of a client to solve their issue. You may want to consider one of the other suggested online chat jobs for more consistent work. 8. Operator. Operator is a shopping app where online shoppers have an operator, research and make online shopping recommendation. If you can become an operator, you can guide shoppers through the process and even share your personal experience with the product. Because you help encourage sales, you can even earn a small commission for each completed sale. Most online chat jobs pay between $8 and $15 an hour. For entry-level positions, you can expect to earn up to $10 an hour. It's possible you may perform one task or a combination of the following: customer service, sales agent, email support, or technical support. You still need to meet certain requirements as a chat agent. Reliable internet connection of at least 5 megabits per second download. Minimum 35 words per minute typing speed. Minimal typing errors and clear communication. Handle multiple conversations at once. Friendly and professional attitude. Self-discipline to work from home. Some companies may require 2 years of previous customer service experience before you can qualify for these positions. Because an online chat position might not currently be available with one of the recommendations, consider a few other suggestions instead. It's possible to work at home part-time or full-time with online chat. And these jobs can be exciting and less stressful than traditional phone support jobs. Thanks for joining me today to hear of these online chat opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. And have a nice day.